Let's solve this problem. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because these two angles are congruent. Let's connect point B to point O. Since triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, OB is a median and also an altitude. Triangle BOC is a right triangle. BC is equal to 10. OC is equal to 6. We can find OB using the Pythagorean theorem. OB is equal to 8. Let's draw the radius from the center of the circle to the tangent line. Triangles BOC and BOD are similar because two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Angles BOC and BDO are both 90 degrees because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent line. Angle OBC is shared by both triangles. In similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, BC over OB is equal to OC over OD. Let's plug the values into the equation, and after solving it, we get that the radius is equal to 4.8. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.